Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the last unit of the year, which I know you're so excited and you've been so patiently waiting for. Today, we're going to be starting the sex ed unit. I know it's not going to be as fun and exciting as if we were in class together, so we'll just have to make the best of it. Because we only have 8 lessons left, we are going to focus on the male and female reproductive system, sexually transmitted diseases and infections, and lastly, healthy versus unhealthy relationships. So those will be our 3 topics of focus. And I know some of you may have questions along the way, and sometimes people are a little uncomfortable asking these questions, but I am going to make a Padlet. So if you do have a question, you can anonymously post it on Padlet and I can answer it. That way other people can see your question and your answer without seeing your name. It's sort of like my question box I have at school during this time. So feel free to use that anytime. Today we're going to be starting with the male reproductive system. So what I would like you to do today is go through the notes, the PowerPoint, write down the notes for the different slides, all the different parts. I also am going to upload a diagram of the male and female reproductive system. If you have a printer, you can print that out, or you can just use the digital copy. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoy this and don't get too uncomfortable with it because it is just a part of life, all right? And I hope you have a happy, healthy day. Talk to you later. Bye.